Hey, Skin Wanderer, my life wanderers, and human beings out there. This is Ella, and welcome to my Skin Wanderer and More channel. And today, we will wander this DIY do-it-yourself butterfly haircut. So let's go and let's wander it. As you can see here, I am sectioning or dividing my hair into three, and this is the first division or the first section of the hair. And I'm trying to get the triangle shape on my forehead part or the bangs part, and continue to comb the hair, and then we will use the ponytail to hold the first section of our hair. And then after that, I'm going to get the second section of my hair, which is from the top of my head to the back of my ears. So now that's the left part of the second section of my hair, and now that's the right part from the top of my head to the back of my right ear. And I'm getting now the second section or second division of my hair that I need to put on in a ponytail. And carefully now, we should comb it to make sure that we're getting the second section the way we should. And we're going to put it on the ponytail on the top of our first section. And it seems like I didn't get it evenly, so let's add more on the right side. And now that I am finished getting the first and second section, I am now getting the third section and the last part of our hair, of my hair. So let me comb it this way and put it on a ponytail. And the sectioning is finished. Done. Oh, I will now play with my baby Kung Kung. So now that the sectioning is finished, we are now going to cut the hair just like this. And this is the length of the first section that I wanna try. And now the first section is finished. Let me now cut the second section of my hair just like this. And now I am leveling the second section of my hair to the first section of my hair where I cut it. And the second section of my hair is finished. So done. Oopsie. There's something wrong. I didn't cut it straight. So let me fix it just like this. I am now trying to hold my hair just like this and then cut the excess part of the hair. So let me finish it just like this. it's really finished. Done. The first and second section of my hair is done, finished. And I am now getting the length of the third section of my hair based on the length of the second section of my hair. And I want it this long, so let me cut it just like this. And here's my baby Kongkong again wants to play with my baby Mochi and baby Peachy. So let me cut my hair now just like this. And cutting is now done, finished. Let's see the result. Tada! Tada! And let me comb it first. So now I'm really I'm seeing the layers, you know. I'm loving it. I love the length and tada! Surprise! And I'm really having the layers. I love the length of each section. And obviously my baby Kongkong loves it too. And before this video ends, let me cut these bangs first. You know, I noticed it. So let me cut it again. And now it is finished done. And before I forget, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers and to all of those who haven't subscribed yet, but are still doing there. Subscribe now and thanks for watching. And feel free to comment down below. So, still other Malay wanderers and human beings out there. See you on the next wandering. Babush, 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 babush.